Good afternoon, everyone. I am Naga Sanjay from 8th class Ramanujan section. Today, I am going to present a seminar on a very important topic in physics, that is force. Force is used everywhere in our daily life, from kicking a football to a rocket launching into space. Can you imagine a world where force is not present? Can we live there? The answer is no. We cannot live in a world where force is not present. In fact, we cannot do anything. We cannot lift, we cannot walk, we cannot run, or we cannot even lift a pencil. So, force is a very crucial part of our life. Now, coming to our topic, force. What is force? Force is a simple push or pull exerted on an object which can change its state. So, the force can change the object's direction, shape or size, its position, it can alter its speed, increasing or decrease, or it can stop and moving object. So, examples of force are we lifting bags in our daily life, walking, kicking a football, etc. Now, coming to our 8th grade force, there are mainly two types of forces that are first one contact force and non-contact force. So, contact force. Contact force is the force which is exerted when two surfaces or objects are in physical contact with each other. Examples of contact force are lifting a book with our hand or writing with pencil with our hand. So, main example of contact force is muscular force. So, what is muscular force? Muscular force is the force exerted by our joints and muscles. These forces can be seen in humans and animals. Examples of muscular force is lifting a book. Now, the second type is non-contact force. Non-contact force is the force which is exerted even when two objects or surfaces are not in contact with each other. Examples are magnetic force and gravitational force. First of all, what is magnetic force? Magnetic force is the force which is exerted by a magnet on an other magnet or a magnetic material. Examples are a magnet pulling iron nails or repulsion between two like poles of a magnet. Now, gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force which is acting upon us so that we can stand still on the earth. It pulls us towards the earth. So, in simple, we can call it as gravity. Now, let us learn about the activity 2.5 in our textbook. So, the aim of this activity is to prove that there is some kind of force between two magnets. The apparatus needed are two magnets, a wooden stick. Now, procedure. First, we'll place a wooden stick vertically straight on a wooden bench. Next, we'll place a magnet in the bottom of the wooden stick and one at the up of the wooden stick. Now, we can observe that the wooden stick is standing straight and there is some kind of force in between the two magnets. We can prove it by, if we pull the first magnet towards the second magnet, it will repel each other. So, hence, it's proved that there is some kind of force acting between two magnets. Observation is that we proved that there is force between two magnets. Now, as we learn that force is a very important and very crucial part of our daily life. Now, coming to conclusion, I will revise everything in 1 minute. So, force. Force is a simple push or pull exerted on an object. It can change its shape, size, direction or its position. Types of forces. There are two types of forces. First one, contact force. Exerted when two objects are in physical contact. Examples are muscular force, as we learned. Non-contact force. Exerted even when two objects are not in physical contact. Examples are magnetic force and gravitational force. In these two, gravitational force is very important. Now, we have a specific place for force in our life, and I hope that we all will learn about these topics very well. Thank you.